Hi everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel, and my name is Charmaine. So today I'm going to share with you a few things that you can try to design your app. So beside the technical part, design is also one of the important things, and user testing are also very important because no one wants to give it a try on apps that you couldn't get users attention on. So we try to encourage you to balance up the technical and the design so that you get the idea on what you should design and what you think users would wanted the most to accommodate their daily issues. So I introducing this first one. So this is Figma. So Figma is more to the design framework of the app. As you can see, once you have download, they have like very interesting typos and the layout of it. So this is more to designer, and then when you reach here, you would see there are various things that you can find. So this is you get to explore their libraries, and then you can create your own components, you can insert your own design and so on. So this one, if you are more to designers and you have your own design from Adobe Illustrator, you can use it. Just unfortunately, I feel that when I exploring the Figma, I realized that when you guys wanted to use some plugins, you have to create your own plugins, or you can use JSON file, which means that you got to learn a bit of coding to put inside to learn how to create your own app. Okay, so this is Figma, and next we will go to Adobe Xd. So what is so special about Adobe Xd is that it is a free software which you do not need to pay like monthly fees or any yearly subscription for the Creative Clouds. Okay, so what's so amazing about Adobe Xd is that you get to choose your own plugins, and you get, for example, like you don't have to design the icons. You can just for example, like on my left, you get to maybe a telephone. So they got this telephone icon for you. You don't have to go from other websites or so on to get your own desired icon. Okay, so this is just an example, and as we know, when you guys want to design something, so this kind of software, they more focus on Android software, or they focus on most of them, which is the website, the any kinds of iPad or and so on. So nowadays, when it comes to UX UI design, you anything is flexible lah for the application. So okay, so even you can find the add-ons for your plugins in the home page here. Okay, so this is the desktop version. So currently I'm introducing two desktop version just now. So one is the Figma and one is Adobe Xd. So let us head to the website. So website, sometimes when you guys doing assignment and you feel that you need to look for faster solution, which means that you can easily access online, and then you can like share with your friends and directly when they are doing work online. So for example, like Mockingbot is one of the good examples. Okay, so for example, I show you this one of their intro tutorial. So as you can see, there's like various, they already give you the built-in, which you can just drag and drop. Okay, just unfortunately it is not directly from the mocking bot. When you try to sign up, they will take you to another third party, or maybe it is the main one, we won't know. So this is the mocking bots thing. And what I amazed is that they already provide you the layer, so you don't have to worry that you have to design a new layer, which here you already have on my left here. There's already have the integration for you to put in for your UX design. Okay, so another one is for the Malware App. So Malware App is one of another app designing prototype website, where this one, what I amazed is that you're able to share to users who may be your friends and they want to try your app. You just send the link to them and they try to press and they will give you feedback directly. So actually Figma itself also can. It actually has a in-app for you to download, or you can use their function. So okay, so this is the main page for Malware App. Okay, so Malware App, as you can see, this is just the one of the page of my app for Malware App. So Malware App, they also have something like mocking bot. They already have like the input design, the drop down design for you, which makes it so easy for you to put in. It's just one of the thing that you need to pay, okay, is to let the user testing. So for example, after I design this one, okay, after I design this and I wanted to share with it, and then I would want see, as you can see, there's a create user testing, right? They only just allow you to have one user to be tested. And then hold on, maybe okay, just put my name. You see, because I already tested on just one user. So let's say you are doing as the designer team and you want to test about 30 to 60 users. Okay, this is the standard one. The minimum user testing is like around 3. Okay, but the more the better, right? Get users more feedback. You know, feedback is very important for most of the designers. If people won't give you feedback, try to encourage them to give feedback. Okay, so yeah, which is quite expensive because due to my currency rate, I have to times 3. Okay, times 4 point something for the currency rate for USD, which actually costs us about 60 ringgit for the pro package and about 200 for the team package. Okay, which means that when you guys try to work as a team and you use it, they only allow 3 users. Oh, I feel it's not so reasonable to be honest. Okay, so beside Malware App, beside Mockingbot, beside Adobe Xd and Figma, so what else you can learn to, like, what kind of tools that you can still use? So introducing this link, I found it on Google. So they actually share a few like prototyping tools. So actually I also tried some of them inside. So for example, like InVision, it's on Adobe Xd, we already mentioned about it. Like Origami Studios, Sketch also one of the way. actually this is a very good link for you to try out and get to know like which is the best for you. Okay, this is just most of them, and even for just in my as well. So just in my, I also tried to download. It's actually a software where you download it and can use it in desktop version as well. It's just the reason why I do not like it, because it has some constraint where it just limited some, there are some limitation inside. When you use it, you will see there's not much choices, and I do not like the just in my. But if you guys, if you really like just in my or any kinds of prototyping tools, you feel free to share below the comments. Okay, so this is just the introduction of the prototyping tools that I suggest and I have used before. But if you have any better ideas, like which prototyping tools that is suitable for me and or for you, or maybe some of your friends, feel free to share in the comments, and I would try it and maybe give feedback to you. So thanks for watching. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop in the comments below. So thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.